guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a very quick, efficient and easy way to get rid of your dark circles. We all have that issue, or almost all of us, and these ingredients are super cheap and simple and easy to find, and you can just do that in your own comfort at your house. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Guys, so what you need, so first off, the ingredients: you need one potato, you need egg white, and you need a mixer in order to transform the texture into a more liquid texture. And lastly, I use this Dead Sea Origin under eye treatment. This is only $6 from Amazon. I first chop the potato and then I put that into my mixer. I just put 2 of those potato on the side because I want to use that onto my eye area. I'm adding here 3 tablespoons of egg white, and then I'm just gonna mix this all together. Once I'm done that, I'm gonna take 1 green tea bag, add a little bit of water in a cup, and then just put that in a microwave for about 30 seconds. And here we go. So once that's done, you're ready to use your mask. So very simply, just on your dry skin. Once your skin is clean, you can just go ahead, use a brush to apply. So here, for the purpose of the video, I'm just gonna do one side of my face so you can see the difference between the before and after. So here I am using my brush and applying the potato mask on one side. And then I'm take that 1 slice of potato and put that onto my eye, and I'm just kind of press it for a few minutes. Once you're done that, I am using here a sea mask for the eye area. I'm gonna link everything in my description box. Sipping on my tea, you know. Once you're done that, after 10 minutes, you're gonna remove that mask, and then you're gonna go ahead and apply your tea bag this time. Again, I'm just pressing, and once you're done that, after a few minutes, you can go ahead and rinse everything. And here you can see clearly the result between the after treatment and before. My eye looks less tired, less puffy, and you can see like the dark circle are reduced. Here I'm just going ahead and do the other side of my face using the same process and all the same ingredients, the tea bag and everything. Here I'm washing it off, drying it out, and then here I'm using this Ultra Repair Cream because my skin is super dry, so this really helps. So that's what I'm doing here, and here on the other side. Once I'm done that, I am gonna grab my whipped cream, and then I am using this Rainforest Mist from Tart, and just finishing off with that. So this mask is perfect to kind of give, you know, some glow onto your skin, and just overall, if you feel like your skin looks really tired as well as your eye area, this will really help. I do it like maybe once or twice a month, and is more than enough. So here it is, guys. This is just my way and what helps me to get rid of my dark circle and give a little bit of, you know, glow onto my skin on the days I need it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.